Hey guys, just a heads up, this video includes an affiliate link. I earn from qualifying purchases, but don't worry, it won't cost you anything extra. Keep your dog's nails healthy and your grooming stress-free with the Coastal Pet Safari Professional Nail Trimmer. Crafted with sharp, stainless steel blades for clean, precise cuts. No crushing, no splintering. Its ergonomic non-slip grip gives you full control, while the built-in safety stop helps prevent overcutting. Designed for medium to large dogs, this trimmer delivers pro-level results from the comfort of home. Strong, reliable, and built to last. Free returns $80 Amazon gift card with store card approval. Groom like a pro. Link in bio.